Guys, thanks for tuning in. Blaze with Blaze Guitar Lessons. Please hit like and subscribe, and let me know if you guys have any questions or requests for other songs you'd like to learn. Okay, this was a song that was requested, so if you've got them, I'll do my best. All right, let's get into it. So this is how to play Backseat Driver. I'm just going to show you guys the chords by Kane Brown. All right, so you have a capo on the 4th fret. All right, if it looks confusing, it's because this is tuned a half step down. But if you're in standard tuning, just put it on the 4th fret and you're all good. All right, you're only going to use a handful of chords in this song. I'm going to walk you through the intro, the verse, and the chorus. It's pretty similar, but it's not exactly similar. So the way you're going to start the song out is, and you're going to want to stick with me to the end because it changes, and I'll show you the bridge and everything. You're going to start with D and then G. Okay, and you're just going to do that twice. So you're going to do, see that? Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So you do that D, G, D, G, and then you're going to go into the first verse. And remember, when you're doing the verses, play them a little bit more quietly, usually, then you do the chorus. So you do 7:30 in the morning in a Mickey D's drive-through. So you do drive-through is where you do G. And then you go back down to D. 2 muffins, 1 coffee, and a little bitty orange. So orange is G. Orange juice. Then you're gonna go back to D. I saw, or like right before I saw a man with a sign on the corner. And then you go to the G before you actually say I rolled. I rolled my window down, handed him $1. So you do B minor, okay? That's when I heard her ask. You're gonna do A, so it's gonna be bag here is where you're gonna play it, B-A-G. Hey, daddy, daddy's A. Daddy, who is that? And before, so you're still doing the same strumming pattern here, but when you do before, you're just gonna do a single strum. Before I could answer back. Okay, so it's gonna do, that's B minor, that's when I heard her ask. Hey, daddy, daddy A, daddy, who was that? And before I could answer back. Okay, now you're gonna go straight into the chorus. So you're gonna start with G, and you're gonna do G, D, B minor, all right? That's how it starts. Daddy, look, there's a plane in. So in is where you switch to D. In the sky. And play the chorus a little bit louder than you do the verses. Are we is B minor. We there yet? Did you just see that dog? So dog is A. Dog run by. Now you go to G here. Do squirrels. So you do squirrels. Do squirrels have houses in the trees? Why would God? So God is D. God put a stinger on a honeybee. It's crazy. So crazy is B minor. Crazy all the things she sees on the side. Side is A. Side of the road out of that window. Beside is G. Beside her. Wish I could be more like is E minor. Like her. Then you're gonna do my little dangling. Okay, so you could just keep doing the same strumming, but I think it sounds better if you just do single strums. My little dangling is G. Dangling feet, pretty in pink. Pretty in pink is where you do A. Pretty in pink, backseat driver. And you're gonna go down to D on backseat, seat driver. And you're just gonna go like you're doing, getting ready for the first verse. So you're just gonna do D, G, and then you're gonna go into it again. So that second time you do it, you're gonna do later on that day on the highway back. So back is you do G, back home. All right, I'm not gonna walk you through that part because it's the same. So the second chorus is the same, except for that after that chorus, so you're gonna do my little dangling feet, pretty in pink, backseat driver, and then you're gonna go to G, and then do A. One day I'll look back and I'll miss. So miss when is when you do G. Miss when. Okay, so you're just doing A, G, A, G. My whole world wasn't over that dash. It was back. Okay, so back is where you go to G. So you do one day is A, I'll look back and I'll miss when and I'll miss when my whole world, so world is A, world wasn't over that dash. It was back there buckled in. Okay, so back is where you do G. Back there buckled in. Saying daddy. So then you just go into the chorus and you're gonna start with the D. Saying daddy, daddy, look, there's a plane in the sky. Okay, and then you just go into that. Now when you end the song, you're just gonna do single strums on like where you do the very first verse. 7:30 in the morning in a Mickey D's drive-through. 2 muffins, 1 coffee, and a little bitty orange juice. Just like that. That's how you play the whole song. Okay, let me know if you guys have any questions or anything. Thanks so much for watching. It's been fun. And I used to say that I would see you next time. I've been saying that, but really I'm not gonna see you. This is like a one-way thing where you guys see me. Anyway, see me next time. Thanks for watching.